Today I want to speak about the lateral frontal tooth. It's called the tooth 1, 2, the right side, the small frontal tooth. And the amazing thing what happened when I wanted to draw this tooth, it did not want to stay alone. So it came up that it wants to be explained as one unit. The right tooth, the right small frontal tooth, the left small frontal tooth, and of course it's connected by the big ones. This teeth, the second tooth from each side, when you count from the center, it's related to trust. To trust the big one, the faith, and to trust the next one, the canine, what's a very strong tooth on its own. Trust. Yes, trust is something we have to dive deep. Most of you, they will think, oh, can I trust this one? Can you trust your mom, your dad, your husband, your wife, your friend? But as long you ask this question, you have to ask the main question: do you trust yourself? Do you trust your intuition? Do you trust your a combination from a soul, a body and a spirit? Do you trust? Are you on the way to be friends with each other? This picture came up, and it's about to express yourself in the right way, to do the right exchange. What you have to say, just say it. And if you can't tell this right in the moment, then ask that the right moment comes and the other person will be prepared for this topic, and you are able to discuss this in a constructive way. Probably even you can enjoy this. And then it's even the other two wings, it's wisdom, and here I wanted to write intelligence, but you see, you can't read this. It's not about intelligence, it's about the mindset. It's how you use this human mindset to go forward in a really good way, in a way that you adore being a human being, that you enjoy being a human being, that you discover the soul, because this is a strong energy, and that you even discover the mindset as an interaction from the spirit, what is inside of you, and the body. I will do a different video only for the body, because this is something amazing, and only if you accept to see this body as a living being on its own, and it's interacting with your soul and the spirit, or your soul is interacting with this body and the spirit, then you are able to start to find yourself as a whole being, as an entire being, and you discover this world, because this is about this interaction. It's not only the interaction of yourself, it's about the interaction with every other being. So they all have the same topic, and if you speak up what is moving you, and this is even these emotions, you know, the soul is a construct of emotions, and they move this body, they inspire this body to reveal itself to the soul. And so the soul can give the inputs to the heart with trusting the human mindset that the right actions appearing according to the information what the soul has sent to the heart, and the heart then gave to the brain. And the body itself, it's when people ask you, do you read? Actually, I read a lot when I was in school time, and I studied. But for many years, I don't do the reading according to what you say, reading a book. No, I read myself. I read my body, I read my soul, and it's an interaction of this wisdom of this spirit, this wisdom of this soul, this experience of this soul, and this wisdom and experience of this body. This is all about trust. you have to trust what you are and who you are here in this world. Oh. And the second tooth is related to the kidneys and the reproductive organs. So they all are related to the reproductive organs and the kidneys. And the second tooth, also the small one, the small frontal teeth, they are related to the bladder. For me, it's the bladder tooth. And the bladder itself told me once that this is our wise guidance from the body. And it revealed this way like a snowy oil. And it's not about downloading something. No, it's uploading your own wisdom. You are full of wisdom. And you came here into this world to explore this wisdom, what the body brings with it, but even to share the wisdom, what you brought with you as an entering soul into this body. And to express this with an awakened spirit. So tell your spirit, wake up, stop sleeping. We are here now in this dimension, and we want to express each other as a unit, body, soul, and mind. And we want to have this exchange, to evolve with each other. You can't evolve on your own, you know. You always interact. Even when you are alone in the jungle, then you interact with the plants and animals. But even because of the morphogenetic network, you interact with every human being. It's all inside of you. You are always connected, and it's up to you how you interact and how you exchange, how you share your wisdom, and how you use your mindset. I hope I inspired you to think about this soul, body, spirit construct, to discover yourself and to enjoy this interaction inside of yourself, and with this to spread the knowledge, to spread the wisdom, to enjoy interacting with others, to have fun with this exchange of different views, and that meaningful constructive interaction comes. And then you don't have even to speak anymore about trust. It's just sharing what you want to share and just absorbing what makes you happy. And in this way we evolve together. Thank you very much.